JJ, you got your own little Triceratops.
It's fun. Look at these things that bite me.
Oh, the horns move even. I think he likes it.
Because maybe that front horn makes his little horns.
I think so. Where's the manual? I just saw it.
So you get 30 minutes of it doing that.
One cycle of batteries, just the horn going
Why isn't it doing anything else?
There's other sensors on it, from what I recall. I think there's some on the sides, and I think it also depends on what you set it on. Because I think there's like a music setting and...
Tell me it's down, or are you doing stuff?
It's on.
Oh, you made him sneeze. He smelled you. Oh yeah, he likes it. So what are you gonna name it, JJ? What's his name? I think that thing's so cool.
Alright, I got it now.